Hello everyone. Thought I would bring you in here and show you. We have a blizzard going on outside. You can barely see. I'm going to open the door and show you real quick. This is terrible. If it snows like this all night, we're in trouble. Check that out. Stay. It's so cold out here. Look, it's blowing up here on the porch. Ah, it's hitting me in the face. Check it out. I can hear somebody's smoke detector going on. Check it out. I left my poinsettias out here. Isn't that pretty? There it is. Check it out. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. I can't even see across the street down there. Yeah, baby. I wanted snow. We got it now. Yeah. Happy New Year! Oh my goodness gracious. Cars are just flying. They don't care. Ooh. What do you think, y'all? Look, I got snow on my pumpkin. That's from my garden. But there's the snow, y'all. You like it? It is 21 degrees here right now. It's supposed to go down, I think, to 16 tonight. So it probably won't snow too much tonight. But my goodness gracious, it is a blizzard. It is coming down. Anybody want to come shovel, you're more than welcome. It's bad, bad, bad here in town. Be careful if you're here in Ohio, especially Canton, because we got it bad right now. So, thanks everyone for watching. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button for me. Leave me a comment down below. Do you have snow where you're living? Oh my goodness. Look, you can't even see the truck hardly. Whew. This is amazing. I love the snow though. I could stay out in it for a minute. They're big flakes falling too. Huge flakes. Oh, there's my niece. She's bringing Aunt Jude some dinner. Hi, George. Hi, Frankie. Wave. She said, leave me alone. Let's get in the house. All right, everyone, hit that subscribe button and leave me a comment and a like. Thanks for watching.